One of the biggest questions that we get asked is about Lloyd's intakes. Everybody asks, and especially if you're coming from Harley previously, you ask, where's my rain sock? The answer is, we don't have one. They probably make one somewhere that'll fit it, but we don't sell one because in the 8 years he's been making them, we've never needed them. I want to explain to you why. Heavy rain wets your filter. A little bit of water in your motor is okay. A lot of water in your motor is not okay. The fuel injector shoots fuel into your motor. If there was another injector that shot straight water into your motor, it would actually help boost the fuel economy and the power. The atomization of water and fuel separately can do that. Together, they dilute the fuel. Not good. One of the small reasons why you don't need a rain sock with Lloyd's intake is because the filters are synthetic, not made of gauze, so that helps. But the main reason is actually Lloyd's backing plate itself. The throttle bodies sit very high, as you can see, on the backing plate. So 80% of the water that hits, it's just gonna run down and out. Now 20% of the water that hits it may go into your motor. With that, we would also say that the manifold takes a big place on this as well. The throttle body to the backing plate to the manifold, and that manifold is also angled down, which would make it even harder for water to get into your motor. These combined, angle, high, angle, makes it very difficult. This was the same reason why people asked us with the torque tubes if it needed a rain sock, and that is no, because they were also angled about 15% down. I know a lot of people who question it come from Harley, and one of those things is they have a straight intake. Now with the Harley straight intake, there is nowhere for that water to go except for into the motor. Now say it's torrential raining and you just go wide open. You may get a little bit of water into your motor and you might feel a slight sputter. Lloyd likes to refer to it as a steam clean. Rain hits a hot motor, steam cleans your motor, and you're good. Now if you really want to clean your air filter, you can take it out, use a little bit of Dawn dish soap, rinse it, let it dry, put it back in, and then you're great. But Lloyd started making these in 2014, so it's been 8 years of doing this and we have never found a need to make rain socks or to have one to sell with it. So I hope that helped. It has been a lesson by Lloyd's.